This video is to show you a little bit about how to get around the online tools training tutorial to get you ready for remote access and administration for the LEAP 360 diagnostic assessments. When you click the link, it'll bring you to this page. You're going to look for the LEAP 2025 practice test and click on online tools training. It'll bring you to the page with grades 3 to 8, LEAP 2025 grades 3 to 8. Click on that, and then you're going to look for English Language Arts grades 6 to 8. Once you get to this page, you'll see there's a username and password that you must type in, ELA06, and the password is test1234. There's information here for welcoming you to the training. Just click on continue. Then you're going to click on the grades 6 to 8. It gives you some information about English Language Arts and what the online tools testing training is about. Click next. This one gives you some information about how you must go about your English Language Arts test, reading everything carefully. Click next. Then you come to a test screen with 3 grey dots, and then you can begin the test. Here it gives you a passage to read and some multiple choice questions, part A and B, to answer. There are a few tools here that you can use: the pointer, the cross-off, highlighter, sticky notes, a magnifier, and the line guide, which is my favorite because you can easily keep your place with this line while you are reading. Down at the bottom here, there is a pause button. If you need to take a break from your test, go to the restroom, grab a sip of water, then you click on the pause button and a timer starts. If you take more than 20 minutes, your test is going to time out and you're going to have to sign in again. When you come back from your break, you're going to resume and it'll bring you back to your test. The flag button allows you to mark the questions that you were unable to answer or that you were not sure of. Then you have the options, which you can change your screen to different colors. You can also have contrasting colors for the text. Let's put it back to black and white. And you can also have a reverse contrast if you enable that. That can be quite harsh on your eyes though. And there's a masking. If you want to add a mask, bring it down here. You don't want to see what you want to cover over some of the writing. So you've worked on that already. You don't want it to get in your way. You can also show hide masks. Now, if you go to the next, click the next page, it gives you another article to read through and questions to answer. The next one gives you the Oliver Twist story again, and it gives you a question that you need a written answer for. There's back buttons, undo buttons, redo buttons, bold, italic, underline, and a spell check. Remember to check your spelling. Let's look at the review end test. All your answers will have a check in them, like the key at the bottom says here. There's one that's flagged. Any questions that you have flagged, you need to go back to. Just click on the flag and it'll take you straight back to that question. Let's go back to the end and say you've answered all the questions. You can end the test, and here it's warning. Make sure you've answered all the questions, and then you can submit. And you don't want to practice anymore, so you can exit.